Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like this week has been a week. It has been dragging on. I am so glad tomorrow is Friday. But of course, before we get to all of the weekend fun, I did have some more really good job leads to share. Sometimes I feel like the job leads are not as great, but today we have CVS hiring someone to handle like chat and email, so non-phone, and it's not even for customers, it's for employees. We have literally matching shopping receipts. So we have some non-phone jobs. I did throw in some customer service as well too. A little bit of mixed bag for everyone, and I don't want to keep doing the same spill, so you know the deal. Links, timestamps in the YouTube description box to get to all of these pages, and if you enjoy anything, let me know. You can give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, all the things. Now we are starting off with an exciting job lead. This one's a little bit different, but I wanted to share because I'd never seen anything like this before. So just showing you what is out there and what is possible to work remotely from home. We have Lowe's home improvement hiring. They have 43,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote monitoring specialist. And what this means is, like, you know, the closed caption CCTVs, they're like security TVs and stuff that monitor inside the store and stuff where normally you think of a security guard sitting in a little back room in the store watching all these different like TV screens from all their different camera angles. They are hiring somebody to basically monitor those things from home remotely. Now, Lowe's does offer remote employment in certain states only. There are a lot of states listed. I think they covered a big majority of the United States. So I'm not going to read all these out. They are listed on top. But again, they are looking for somebody to review and respond to all of the incoming alerts that aligned with their defined service level agreements. These alerts are going to be from store alarms like fire and burglary, and you're going to monitor them using the CCTV when necessary. So you're going to investigate the alerts and escalate the remote monitoring supervisor if needed. So you're just going to follow all the guidelines and policies and procedures during your interactions, and you'll escalate any incidents or situations that need to be escalated up to your supervisor. You're going to help identify opportunities with the technology systems, policies, procedures, all the things to help make these systems better. You'll recognize trends in overnight activity, just telling the trends to your supervisor, conducting visual verification of store preparedness during civil arrests, severe weather, things like that. So if they're calling for like ice storms or tornadoes just came through the area, you'll monitor all the properties you're responsible for through those closed caption TV and monitoring services. You'll check the video, just making sure all the stores are in order, and then you'll like note any damage and give that to someone who can then, probably your supervisor, who can then go get things fixed. Now, this one is cool, but it does require either a bachelor degree and 3 to 5 years of retail experience. They do want somebody who has LPC or LPQ qualification and has had, again, 3 to 5 years in like a big box retail store. Someone who has detailed report writing, so you can write reports, you can manage in a fast-paced environment, and they do prefer somebody who has experience using some kind of security systems, camera systems, things like that. Pay for this position, though, is $20.28 an hour up to $33.81 an hour. Just thought that was cool, so I would throw it in there. But moving on along, we have Assurant hiring next. Assurant has 3,200 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a loss draft specialist. Now, Assurant generally has insurance products and different things. You're going to be working mainly with homeowners, helping guide them through claims processing and getting their lives back in order following property damage or loss. So this one will require some phone work. You're going to answer questions and respond to requests, inquiries, and complaints in a timely and professional manner regarding property damage claims that they are trying to file. You're going to review and research claim information provided, make appropriate follow-up calls to resolve any issues, and then process those claims checks following their policies and procedures, getting those checks out to the homeowners so they can get their money and get their stuff fixed. You'll request information and provide updates to them as needed. Just maintaining and updating the procedure knowledge on an ongoing basis. You'll have to do like trainings, workshops, seminars, that kind of thing, making sure you're up to date with all the processes. But they only require a high school diploma or GED and customer service skills. You've got to be proven that you have customer service skills. You've got to be able to make decisions and be a problem solver. So that's going to require great communication and organizational skills. Now, they do prefer somebody who has some kind of insurance, finance, banking background. It's not required though. Pay is going to be anywhere from $15.50 an hour all the way up to $24.03 an hour. Next up, we have CVS Health hiring. I don't think they really need any introduction. They are the big retail pharmacy store. They have 43,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a work-life chat support associate. This is specific to their employee assistance program, or EAP programs is how they're normally referred to. They are looking for somebody, though, to work a weekend day. The schedule is going to be Sunday through Wednesday, 3:30 p.m. to 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours. And so this is going to be like an afternoon, evening, overnight shift. I've seen people leave in the comments that you do want some overnight hours. But if you are looking for anything specific or any specific schedule, always feel free to leave that in the comments. I do read those, never make any promises, but I do keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. So CVS is looking for people to deliver customer service to their employees. They are going to give you 6 weeks of training. That training, though, is going to be during the day. It's Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. So you'll have to make sure that you can adhere to that training schedule. But you will be responding to incoming chats from, again, employees that work with CVS. So you will be given the standard greeting approved time frame, and you'll have to type back in their chat within that time frame. You're going to determine why the incoming chat is incoming, like the purpose of the employee reaching out. And you're going to focus on the written messages and interacting with them, providing resources through chat and email. So you're going to assist the clients or employees' needs, research and structure communication by information regarding EAP and work-life services and resources. So they might be reaching out just to ask what's the employee's work-life resources, what are some EAP resources. So maybe you're trying to help connect them with the company's doctors or what's in network for their insurance. Maybe they're looking to speak to a therapist. Whatever their situation is, EAP, maybe they're looking for the number for human resources, or they want to know what the policies and procedures is for reporting something. You just never know what they are looking for, so you will have to kind of have empathy and treat things in a very professional manner. So when they reach out through this chat and email, you're going to enter their information into the computer system and create a case and start documents, making comments, and of course you're going to document any information you do give them. So you are going to have to make sure while you're chatting with them that you're also taking notes in the system. Now, this is mainly going to be non-phone, but it may require you to pick up the phone from time to time and make an outbound phone call if you need to assist with securing member resources or services. If you don't know how to get them what they need, you might have to call around, find out, and then get back to them. Now, this only requires 1 to 3 years of customer service experience, basic computer knowledge, and someone who can work through different computer software systems like Microsoft Office, like Word, Excel, things like that. That's all the qualifications. Of course, a high school diploma or GED is needed, no college degree. If you have call center experience or mental health or human resources background, that might get you to the top of the line for an interview. But pay for this one is going to be dependent on things like location and experience. Goes anywhere from $18.50 an hour up to $35.29 an hour. If dealing with mental health issues is just a little too deep for you, maybe something like matching shopping receipts might be more your style. We have Numerator hiring. They have 657 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a data associate. So as a data associate, you are going to be helping them with their ever-growing database of products by using their platform to match real-world products to the respective brands and categories. So you're going to have a key role in contributing to and maintaining different categories of data for the clients to use in answering their business questions. So you're going to work on multiple projects within the team, matching items from shopping receipts and internet websites to their respective brands and product categories. So maybe you see like a Redken shampoo, the category would be like shampoo, the brand would be Redken. So you are going to take items from the shopping receipts and items from different internet websites, and you are basically going to have to tag them with correct product categories, correct brands. You may have to research brands and specific products online to gather specific data and insights. So you're just assisting in maintaining the integrity of their data into the platform, making sure that all the entries made into their platform and system are accurate. So you're going to have to double check, making sure everything is error-free. Now, while they do prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree, it's not required. As long as you are self-motivated, have great organizational skills, you have a basic like data, Microsoft Excel proficiency, you can work through a spreadsheet, you have great written and verbal communication skills, and of course, you've got to be very detail-oriented. Now, pay for this one is just a little on the low end. It's very small up here in the green. Pay is anywhere from $12.50 an hour all the way up to $16 an hour. And it does say you can get bonuses. I'm assuming bonuses is based on productivity somehow. And for those of you who don't mind customer service, we have Infotrack hiring. They have 244 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. And of course, they are hiring a customer support specialist remote for the United States. Now, Infotrack is a platform that connects law firms and courts with services and technology that they need to help them litigate their case successfully. They are specifically looking for somebody in the Pacific time zone or Mountain time zone, because those are kind of the hours you're going to have to work. But they're looking for somebody to develop an understanding of their legal technical solutions, the product, software, tech solutions that they are offering to these legal firms. You're going to have to understand how they work, staying up to date on new features and updates so that you can share knowledge with the clients to optimize their experience and how they use these products. So you're just going to also be talking to the clients, gaining knowledge about their business, who the primary law firms and legal professionals are, obtaining an understanding of the kind of cases that they take on and their specific unique needs that they need to help them with these cases in court. So you're just going to handle and resolve any of the customer's concerns and issues promptly with a high level of customer satisfaction, trying to keep those customers as loyal customers. So you are going to have to provide technical support to them, helping them troubleshoot their software issues, answering any questions, and guiding them through effective use of the software and the products. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree, but you do have to have 2 years of customer support, specifically support phone, email, and chat experience. Someone who has experience using customer management softwares like Salesforce, Zendesk. You've got to have great communication skills and a passion for technology and helping others. Pay for this position is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but goes anywhere from $37,000 a year up to $60,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, always feel free to leave anything you're looking for in the comments. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.